Is the Bible textually reliable? So we've already seen that historically it's credible. It gets the right details, real places, real time, real events. Now, sometimes when it comes to this, the question is, how do we know we have the books that have been copied to us? And people throw out the telephone game as an analogy. All right. Now, is that the best way to understand? So it's like a copy. How many of you guys played the telephone game as a kid or even recently? So the idea is we start over here, I give you a phrase, and then we see if we can get all the way around the room, and it's end up being gibberish, and people have fun with it, and it's ridiculous, right? But what if we played a different game? What if I started on this side of the room today, I said, hey, guess what? I'm going to give you a phrase, and if you get it exactly right, when we get over here, if it's the same, everybody in here gets an iPad. Do you think your motivation is going to be a little different if everybody's invested? Well, that was the motivation of the early church, right? Because these are themes of salvation and God and heaven and hell and forgiveness and guilt and shame. They wanted to get the message right. And they could go back along the way and check in those things.